I'm attorney Ryan Locke. I represent people who have been injured and people who have been unfairly convicted from my office in Atlanta, Georgia. Today I want to talk about a common fear that my personal injury clients have, and that is, if I hire a lawyer, how do I know that I'll be able to pay for all my medical bills, especially when I have to pay the lawyers some money to represent me? What I've found in representing my clients, we've never had a client where we have not been able to get all of their medical bills paid and put some money in the client's pocket when we settle the case or get a verdict. Obviously, if it's a case where the other driver says, I didn't do it, it's not my fault, and we go to trial and the jury just doesn't believe us, they say, well, we think the other guy's right, then obviously no money changes hands and there's not really much we can do about that. But for every case where we settle it, for every case where we get money, we're able to pay off all the medical bills. And here's why. First, we're able to increase the value of the case. This is easiest to do when we get involved early on in the case, because we're able to help our clients go to the right doctors to make sure that they get fully evaluated, to get the proper amount of treatment for whatever injuries they've been diagnosed with. Especially for our clients who have no health insurance, they may think that they can't get medical treatment because they can't afford it. And we often have ways, either by having the doctor treat on a lien or enlisting the help of a medical funding company. We have these ways in order to have our uninsured clients receive the medical treatment that they need, and then they pay it back after they settle the case or win at trial. The second thing we're able to do is negotiate down medical bills and liens. So when people owe money to the medical providers for the care they've received, or if their health insurance has paid for the care, they may owe money back to their health insurance for whatever their health insurance paid. We're able to work with all these people to reduce the amounts of money that they're going to take. And every dollar that we save from our client having to pay a medical bill or pay a subrogation interest, it's a full dollar directly into their pocket. The last thing we're able to do is we're able to, if the insurance company just won't provide the type of offer that will get everyone paid and make everyone happy, then we file suit. And some lawyers will not file lawsuits on cases, but we do. And filing lawsuits typically gets a better result because then the insurance company knows that you're serious and they will increase their offer as we move through the litigation process, usually. Now, obviously, none of this is a guarantee and every case is different, but generally, the fear that if I hire a lawyer, I won't be able to pay my medical bills, or I'll somehow end up with less money than had I not hired a lawyer, is something that it's a fear that you don't have to worry about. It's a fear you don't have to have. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about personal injury cases. If you have any questions, my email's in the description. Leave a comment or shoot me an email with the question. I'd be happy to make a video to answer it. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon.